How to use Canva AI video generator. First, head over to canva.com and open a blank template. On the left-hand toolbar, scroll down and click on Apps. In the search box at the top, type Magic Media. Once it appears, click on it. If it's your first time using it, you'll see a purple Use button. Click that to install it. After it's added, you'll see it in the bottom left corner. Click on Magic Media and you'll see options for generating both images and videos. Since we're focusing on videos, make sure videos is selected. You can either type your own scene description or click on try an example to see how it works. After entering or selecting your prompt, scroll down and click on the purple generate video button. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes for the video to be generated. Once it's ready, click on the video to add it to your design. Press the play button to preview it, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.